Have mercy on us.
Bazali la représentation, pour ce niveau, beaucoup de 2-3 minutes pour ça, la briefing, speech et kozalana anglais pour bango bayoka. Speech et kozalana. Il y a biso na biso.
An immediate ban on Rwanda's participation in UN peacekeeping missions, a global ban. We express our deepest gratitude to the South African National Defence Force, SANDF, for their continued support and dedication to the peace in the DRC during this difficult period. The efforts of the SANDF have been vital, and we commend the bravery of South African soldiers. We offer our heartfelt condolences to the families who have lost loved ones in the fight against Rwanda's aggression.
A lot of kids, they lose their family. A lot of family, they separate. The parents, they don't know where is the family, where is the kids. Now we need these things must stop now. Kagame must stop. He's the one is doing it. He's the one they're sending to do that to robbing mine mineral in Congo.
We are here in the parliament to demonstrate about what's going on in the east of DRC. And we are also here to thank the South African government for helping Congo with the soldiers who are fighting aside of Congolese army to save our country.